Yeah, and hi and welcome to this review of Ascend Pages. Now what Ascend Pages is a page builder, and what I'm going to do is show you how I create a new site. It's pretty simple, especially using the pre-existing templates that they have. And then what I'm going to do is pass you over to a sort of slightly more professional video that was created by the product creator, and then we'll see how they do it very quickly. They've got some other bits and bobs and widgets that they're going to be using, and so but without further ado, let's get started. And the first thing that we do is we click on this little button here called create new site, and here you can see we've got an empty page. And then what we do is we go to here and we got templates and blocks and components and pages. I'm going to be concentrating on mainly the templates for now because that's pretty simple to set up. There's a lot of these. You can see e-commerce, JV, miscellaneous, and so on. And why don't we start with, say, e-commerce? So what I'm going to do is just drag this one into here. There's an e-commerce one here, so we can choose which one we want to go with. Say, why don't we go with this one here? We just drag it into here, and there you have it. So it's a ready-made e-commerce site, very easy to set up. Let's have a little play with some others. So if we go to e-commerce, and we can go with t-shirt e-commerce just there. So that's what this would look like. If we were to go for, say, JV page, so that's what this one would look like. Sorry, let me just drag that into here. So that's what this one would look like, and this is a really good start. This is a really good way to get this started, get a start without having to actually create the various components ourselves. Couple of really nice premium ones, like for example, if we go for say this one, that looks quite nice, doesn't it? This car. So there you have it, just there. So there's quite a good choice. And then really all we need to do is, once we've dragged it, is just save it, and it's pretty much ready to go. Now the good thing here is that we can play with the various components, so we can edit them. So we just need to sort of go into here, and then we can have a little play with them, and we can add different bits and bobs of text. We can do all that sort of good stuff as you would with a page builder. Now if you don't want to go with a template, what you can do is you can go with something called blocks. And what these blocks do is they basically it's different components we can add onto the page. So you can see that there's contact even, and there is, you know, there's quite a few of these different blocks, and then all we need to do is just drag and drop them. I don't want to sort of do that now into this template here, but all you need to do is you just need to drag and drop these blocks into the main page. And you can actually start with an empty page as well, and then all you do is you sort of drag and drop these into the main page, and then you're good to go. So it's pretty simple to set up. It seems like a nice software. The higher end templates are part of the OTO, so if you are considering going ahead with this purchase, then I'd recommend that you do go with the OTO. And then what I'm going to do now is pass on to another video that's going to sort of show in greater detail how this actually works, and slightly more advanced than what I've just shown you now. So I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen so far, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.
Hi there, and welcome to this demo video for Ascend Pages. I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to make a 2-page sales funnel inside of the software, and I'm going to do it all in under 90 seconds. So the first thing I'm going to do is browse my headers, and once I find one that I like, I'm going to drag it and drop it onto the canvas. I'm going to simply click inside of the canvas to edit my headline, my subheadline, and my opt-in form text. Once I'm finished, I'm going to save my page and preview exactly what it looks like to make sure I'm happy with everything. Now, I'm going to head back and start building out my second page. Again, I'm going to choose a header to insert into my page, but this time, I'm going to choose one that has a video as the main focus point. I'm going to insert my headline again, and then I'm going to go over to YouTube, grab the URL for my sales video, and then paste it into the video element back on the software. Next, I'm going to choose a call to action element from the list and add that below my video so that my visitors have a way to order my product or my service. And last but not least, I'm going to choose one of the footers and add it to the bottom of my sales page. Now I'm going to save this page as well and preview the page to make sure that everything looks alright and up to my standards. Lastly, if I want to make any changes to any of my pages, I can easily swap between the canvases right here in the sidebar. And that there is how you can build your very own sales funnel using Ascend pages in